So, hello friends, welcome back to our channel Exam Buddy. Now let's do our assignment Sustainable Happiness week 4th assignment 4th. So, the first question is the aim of sustainable organizations is to create value for dash. So, these are the option company, shareholders, society, environment, all of the above. So, let's check the answer of our first question. So, question first, sustainable organization. Their aim is to create long-term value, not just for the company shareholders, but also for the wider society and the environment. So, the answer of our first question is D, all of the above. Now, the second question is the dash approach, which involves pursuing not only financial profitability but also generating social value and minimizing environmental impact. So, these are the option triple layer, triple bottom line, triple hierarchy line, triple aim. So, let's check the answer of our second question. Question second, triple bottom line approach, which involves pursuing not only financial profitability but also generating social value and minimizing environmental impact. So, the answer of our second question is B, triple bottom line. Now the third question is dash involves going beyond the laws requirement in protecting the environment and contributing to social welfare. So these are the options CSR, ESR, SSR, TSR. So let's check the answer of our third question. So question third, CSR involves going beyond the law requirement in protecting the environment and contributing to social welfare. So the answer of our third question is A, CSR. Now, the fourth question is sustainable organizations invest in research and development of dash technologies. So, these are the option green, blue, yellow, red. So, let's check the answer of our fourth question. Question fourth, they invest in the research and development of green technologies. So, the answer of our fourth question is green, A. Now, the fifth question is corporate sustainability falls under the umbrella term of dash. So, these are the options CSR, ETD, ESG, ESR. So, let's check the answer of our fifth question. Question fifth, the term corporate sustainability describe a new corporate management model. It can also fall under the broader term environmental social governance ESG. So the answer of our fifth question is C, ESG. Now the sixth question is elements of the dash pillar include compliance and good corporate governance. So these are the option economic, social, environmental, none of the above. So let's check the answer of our sixth question. Question sixth, elements of the economic pillar include compliance and good corporate governance. So the answer of our sixth question is A, economic. Now the seventh question is dash also known as sustainable commerce is the reuse of products and materials. So these are the option re-commerce, e-commerce, s-commerce and free commerce. So let's check the answer of our seventh question. So question seventh, re-commerce also known as sustainable commerce is the reuse of product and material. So the answer of our seventh question is A, re-commerce. Now the eighth question is in DEI. E stands for dash. So these are the option equality, efficiency, effectiveness, equity. So let's check the answer of our eighth question. Question 8, diversity, equity and inclusion DEI initiative. So the answer of our eighth question is D, equity. Now the ninth question is which of the following is true about embracing DEI in organizations. So these are the option and now let's check the answer of our ninth question. So question 9, embarrassing DEI is not just a moral imperative but also a strategic one that promotes sustainable growth and build agile. So the answer of our ninth question is D, all of the above. Now the 10th question is does organizations are structurally sound, ideologically coherent, strategically grounded and emotionally mature. So these are the option resilient, resistant, reference, reactive. So let's check the answer of our 10th question. Question 10th, resilient organizational organizations are actual structurally sound, ideological, coherent, strategically grounded, and emotionally mature. So the answer of our 10th question is A, resilient. Now submit your answer. Thank you friends for watching this video.